Here's an inexpensive way to raise your gift-giving game. This is pretty easy. We are hot gluing acrylic bezels onto boxes. So save your high-end boxes that have a really sturdy feel to them and they have really nice tops or lids. Get your workstation ready first. If you're right-handed, you're going to want the hot glue gun on the left, which might sound counterintuitive, but you're going to be using these tweezers to pick up the rhinestone, dab on the glue, and you're going to want your right hand running the tweezers. I think these precision tweezers are really important. Notice how it has a really thin tip. These are usually used for jewelry, but it's really handy for this type of gluing work. I'm going to move the rhinestones to the right so I'm not dragging glue across the rhinestones. So the trick is, after you dab it with glue and you place the bezel onto the box, it leaves a trail of glue, like a thin string. And these end up feeling like spider webs. So the trick is to never let that spider web glue cross over the bezels that you've already placed. I don't recommend giving this box to toddlers because it's hot glued on. It can come off, especially if you're rough with it, and it could be a choking hazard. So not good for toddlers.